What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon, Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are doing the Swan method, y'all. You're about to see a wreck, a train wreck. This girl has gone to 3 to 4 different hair salons to get an extension done, and it just is horrible, you guys. The hair is falling apart. She's got beads everywhere. The poor girl has spent a lot of money, okay? Too much money. And now she's ending her extension journey with me because she's never gonna need to go through that drama again. So come watch me. I'm gonna install the Swan method. You guys, I can't show you everything. I'm so sorry, but you can take my online course. It is available. Click the link right here. Subscribe, follow me, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, all of it. Bada bing, bada boom, let's go. What's up, guys? My name is Leda Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon, Raleigh, North Carolina, and today I'm gonna take out these extensions. She's gone to a few places in Raleigh, North Carolina, and honestly, they're just not done correctly, all right? She's got one weft here, beads are showing. She's got 2 wefts here. The rows are way too close to each other. See how they're already like meshing together? And she's only had these about 4 weeks, guys. Not cool, not cool. And I wanna show you this side because this side's already coming out. Look at that, all right? So we're gonna take these out for her and we're gonna put in this one. Jordan found us through Google? Yep. Okay, she's looking for somebody to replace the extension method that she has in right now. It's kind of a little bit all over the place. You wanna tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so I've been to 4 different places over the last 4.5 months. I have thinning hair already, so I wanted to get a little bit more fullness. I have had just pretty much terrible experiences over the last couple of months and then losing more hair. So I'm really excited about getting this done the right way today.
Yeah.
Oh, so she like only sewed it on certain parts?
Yeah, she was
That's
fixing it.
weird.
I just had, well, I had a little side piece that
Whenever
was...
you're ready. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Ready? Yes. What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Is it better than what you had?
This is absolutely incredible. I love it.
Woo! Let me turn you around. I'm going to show everybody her wefts now. You guys
Oh my
saw
gosh,
what it looked like
so
before.
pretty. It feels so good.
I did not
I'm
do her color.
so excited.
I did not do her color. That's not me. But look at that.
And then her natural. Look, and we gave her a little length too.
Little lane. Yes. She needed this.
Yes, I did.
She deserved it.
We took out those little beads that she had put in herself.
Good.
And yeah, she had 2 rows that were way too close to each other. And yeah, that's it.
Show that blend. Where is it? What extensions?
What extensions? Show me that.
Show me that. Oh, what? Where? Still where? Still okay now.
Same hair, it's longer. Looks like I'm sure it was a deal, Jordan. It was.
Mm-hmm.
All right, couple more by the.
Yep. Yes.
We're done! We're done, guys! We did it. Her hair is fabulous, beautiful. She's got 1 row, 5 wefts, and she's gonna be able to go 13 weeks. I can't tell you why or how that is so magical and that actually works, but if you sign up for my course, I promise you I can give you all the details. We become besties. You get my personal phone number, and you get one-on-one guidance with me after you take the course. All right, see you soon.